one thing about ChatGPT that I've heard no one so far talk about is the topic of writer's block. And I think this is something that basically everyone knows that is working in the creative field. It's not just authors or copywriters, and I wouldn't say writer's block is just for writers. It's also for designers, for everyone in the creative space. Whenever there is like a creative project, you are sometimes just stuck, and it feels so bad, and there's not really much that you can do about. For me, actually, I've started writing my first book, which is called Bottleneck Thinking, and it basically discusses our whole holistic business framework and how we eventually used it to achieve extreme 7 and 8 figure success cases in digital marketing using a holistic data-driven framework. I've wrote a book about it. Well, I tried to write a book about it. It was an interesting journey. Starting the book and writing the book was okay. I mean, I had help of an expert author in that sense, but I was never able actually to finish the book because I could never articulate a clear call to action for the end, or I just didn't know how I wanted the book ending to be like. And this is a very, very common thing, especially in closing and shipping creative work, which actually means finishing a project. If it's a specific book, a specific painting, or a specific video, whenever it's about to get finished, that's where writer's block is the hardest. And so the interesting thing now is that ChatGPT helped me to finish that book, write the last couple of chapters of my book, finish products and whole courses and whole masterclasses that I've been trying to finish for years. I couldn't do the work that was necessary. For example, I have a book list of the 250 top books that I've ever read in the topics of digital business, personal growth, consciousness, living a conscious life, and all that. And I wanted this book list to be perfect, with giving short summaries for every author and every book title, and then I basically rank all the books, how much I like them, to in the end the other people can see my favorite books. And I was never able to write these short summaries of how I liked the book and what were my key takeaways. And I'm so glad that I now have this amazing ChatGPT tool to just do all that for me. And I was able to finish the whole book list within a couple of days now, which I wasn't able to do for years. Same with book, same with actually whole product developments and product launches, whole websites. And especially, it's actually an interesting thing that I want to talk about is I've run a marketing agency for well over 5 years, starting in 2016. And it was extremely easy for me always to write copy for other products, like a random supplement brand or any other of our 150 plus different agency clients. And I mostly wrote the copywriting, I did the sales strategies, I set up the ads, I did the whole analyzing, I had basically full stack marketer. So that was my role. And now that I have the job to create my own products and present my own personal brand, writing my own landing pages with my own ads and my own story, now I, for the first time, struggle a lot with writer's block, which I would never have. If you can give me a random product, I can write you the perfect marketing copy, the perfect marketing strategy for anything. Of course, I even do that with ChatGPT today, but especially for all the topics where I struggled so much with inner blockages and not knowing what to say, and in the creative process, ChatGPT has relieved that for me completely. Not in the way that I would say I just now let ChatGPT do all the work. No, it's me and ChatGPT. We're working together on it, and that is just an amazing, amazing symbiosis that helps me to finally create all the work that I dreamt of. I'm definitely going to write more books now. I have full ideas, full worked out projects and topics for my next 3 books basically, and I bet it's going to be a fun easy journey for me to write these books with ChatGPT, and the end result is still going to be authentic and valuable from my own ideas, from my own strategies, from my own experience, and it's not going to be like a ChatGPT random Amazon book. It's going to be a really nice, good book written by me with the help of ChatGPT in terms of overcoming whatever problems authors usually have. So that's just amazing. And it's not just for writing. I mean, overall, just life advice, or when you struggle a lot with something. Maybe you're depressed, maybe you're down, maybe you have you lost your girlfriend, or you lost your job and you don't know what to do, or you're struggling to find your purpose in life or meaning in life or whatever, or your business just crashed down. Just open up ChatGPT and tell him, and you will, with this back and forth dynamic, you are going to figure out a way. And this is just so amazing. I'm really thankful to that we can get this for 20 euros per month. Again, as I said, I have 2 paid accounts already because I use it so much. And yeah, that was really the last thing I wanted to say before we can go into specific examples. And we're going to discuss examples for every different touch point or topic that there is in our fields, which is digital entrepreneurship. This means, I had some examples for Facebook ads and landing pages already, but we can get more examples, I think, for ads, for organic, for all social media channels, for emails, for chatbots, for landing pages, for websites, for branding, for sales, for phone closing, whatever, for video scripts, for whole product ideas, info product ideas, physical product ideas, business strategies, positioning, analysis, summaries, whatever you want, right? And every founder, every entrepreneur, marketing agency owner, freelancer that is working in the digital marketing space, in the digital business field, that's doing something in terms of building businesses online, is going to benefit tremendously from all these examples and from all the knowledge. So I'm super happy to have you here, and let's get right into all the examples and cases.